Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through this week's project, which is AI Craft IDE AI powered code assistance. And AI Craft IDE is AI powered code environment that enhances the development experience by integrating real-time AI assistance, and it's inspired by Cursor IDE, and with support for multiple AI models including Gemini, Llama, Mistral, and Qwen, and it's a support of about 8 AI models. And to talk about the key features, it have AI chat interface and AI debugging and code fixes, inline code chat, and also AI powered auto completion and code generation. And the AI Craft is built upon Judge0 IDE, an open source IDE. And to tell you about how it works, it has its own AI model selection, and the user can choose from a variety of AI models, including the Gemini, Mistral, Qwen, Llama, Microsoft, and the medium version, and OpenChat, and also including the DeepSeek R1 model. And the code execution and AI debugging will compile using a Judge0 IDE, and there is also AI inline AI assistance. And the demo screenshot, to show the demo screenshot, the first one is a user will insert the key, and after that it will choose the model, and it can chat about the source code. There is also auto completion, as you've seen in the screenshot, and there is a user also can view the differences, and they can chat with also a selected code. And let's go over through the source code, and so that we can run over through it. To run the program, I've used a live server, and that makes it more easier for me. And I can directly click on open file or download, and when I click on Control O, I would go over through this, and I have some 2.0 file, and in the chat I will insert the API key, and when I click on save key, and as I've seen, the API key is saved successfully, and the API key is Open Router API key, and I can choose among the models, and it depends on our choice. So let's just go over to a Gemini 2.0 Flash and help me and fixing the issue. And when I click on send, it will go over through the Gemini, and it will try to come over a solution that helps us solve the problem. And I've given a simple 2.0 approach, 2.0 problem, and as I've seen, it come over through the solution. What is this input violation should be present, and it have also some applied changes, and I can view the changes in the source code. As you have seen, it's more of complete, and I can apply changes or also cancel it. And when I click on apply changes, it would go over and it would be displayed on here. So I can run over through it, and yeah, as you've seen, it's solved it correctly. And a user can also select the model. Sorry, a user can select it, and they can start with the selected code. And it have also its own auto completion, as it so so sorry, it's have its own auto completion. And as you've seen, the auto completion is just like this, and when the while loop, it will complete the code. And let's go over through also the basic code so that I can explain how to work behind the scene. And the main thing that I did is in the IDE.js and the AI Craft, which is the forked source code of Judge0, and in the generate prompt, it would it have some switch case and the selected model, and there is also a DeepSeek. If the case is a DeepSeek, it would go over through the DeepSeek. If the case is a Mistral and the OpenChat, it would go over through according to the user's selection. And let's go over, and there is also some agentic processes that send this the requests to that sends the context and also the request to the models, and after that it would be displayed back again to the section which is shown in this side. And after that there is also a smart difference, so that we can compare the difference of the first one with the other one, and we'll send that into the Open Router API, and after that we can view which of the changes should be applied on them. So there is some pre-prompts. So this is some of them my prompts. So in the prompt, assume you're a senior software engineer that applies code is changed to a given file, and given the original content, the difference, and I have tried to make some prompts that accepts the current code, and after that we can apply what should be done at the current file in order to meet the above situations. And as I've seen, it changes the if loop to the while loop, and also it explains me in detailed ways what about the granted time complexity and all of the other cases. And after that I can download also the source code. If I click on download, it would be downloaded into the file, and yeah, I can view all of that things in this. So this is my initial approach to the the project, which is AI Craft IDE. If I've got more time, I'll try to add a more inline chat with this. So I'll try to add also another advanced features, which is more easable to use as compared to this. And thanks for giving your time, and I'm also looking to work with you as well.